Alright people, check out what we got here. Yeah man, I'm at a yard that I hardly ever get out to. I mean it's over probably about 2.5 hours drive for me, so it'll be a 5-hour round trip. But yeah, it's been a while since I've been out here, so I thought I could check this one out while I was going somewhere else. And they got this thing in, man. 1967 Ford Galaxie 500. Looks like somebody kind of tore it apart. Probably going to start to fix it up, and then they just abandon it. The rear bumper's in the inside the car. Tell you one thing, I'm not real fond of this place is that, man, crap is just everywhere. How's that back glass? Back glass in good shape. I want to say, yeah. All the glass is good on this thing. Check out the that is a Fenton. Looks like the Cragar. Yeah. Let's put it on, make it look better, you know. I don't know if you can. Where does it say? Right there. This is Fenton. The back one also says, it says Fenton Shark, Super Shark, but it's a Cragar. I looked on the back and it said Cragar. Oh man, this damn thing's stuck right here now. Shoot. Well, let's take just a quick look under it. There's the headlights. Carb, helper springs, fuel tank. Take a look underneath. Yeah, that trunk floor's rotted out. Some rusting going on. The floors up here. Oh, and the rocker's right there. Yeah. I like the Fastback look on these, man. Yes, I do. I'm thinking that's 94. That's 4 and 4 right there. I don't think that's 04. That's got to be 94. Let's take a look inside. It's gonna start to rain on me. They said it was gonna be a chance of rain. Try to get out here as early as I could, but you know, unfortunately, couldn't get out here early enough. There's your mileage. You know, this almost looks like it has an aftermarket, like, well, it's not aftermarket, but like a dealer add-on AC unit. This being 67. Oh man. Oh crap. Man, that's on there. Of course, we got nothing but some cigarette butts. She's got a bench, but it's so they took off the backs right here. Might be in good shape. Rear seats here. There's the bumper, the rear bumper, but it's in rough shape. It's no good. But I want to say this is a rear. I mean, this is like a not aftermarket, but like an add-on air conditioning. Take a look under the hood real quick. Oh. I think I saw that. That's the H on there, so this is 390. The H code one, 2-barrel. I think I may be completely wrong. See, this is what I mean. This would be like just a heat only box, and I believe they added it. I'm pretty sure, yeah. Cause see, this isn't a. I don't know why they would do this. This isn't like a factory mount. At least not one that I've seen. And here, these brackets that are added to this AC condenser. Yeah. See, they got them going over here on this side. Yeah. So we had power steering, add-on air, and no power brakes. Of course, they're drums, as you can see. You know the sad thing about this grill is it is like damn near perfect except for right there. Ah, that sucks, man. I'd have took that grill if it wasn't for that. Well, I'm gonna leave it up because it was a bitch to put it down. What do y'all think? Now you get a chance to look at it when it's wet. It's a lot better, actually. I mean, still some good pieces on her, but you know, who knows? You know, we'll come out here and get some parts off her. So, all right, people, on to the next one.